Welcome back to the Deadspace Let's Play. I knew the audio was fucked up. I knew it was, so I gotta do this. Now I gotta go be all like Deadspace and be all like, you know, let's turn this shit down. I'm using a controller anyways. I gotta turn all this shit down. How does that sound? I wonder if that sounds any better. We'll see when I go and do this part. Ooh, text log. Let's read this. We each lost a part of ourselves during that nightmare on Titan's Sprawl. For Elliot was her eye. But luckily we found a replacement we could afford. Even though the color doesn't quite match, at least she can feel whole again. Wow, that was fucking horrible. That wasn't funny. Me, I lost parts of my soul, and there's not a damn thing I can do to buy that back. I guess ultimately, that's why she left. People want things they can fix, and I'm permanently broken. Oh. That's kind of fucking deep, Isaac. I mean, that's really deep. Oh, this is why also our subtitles on, so you can hear what's going on. Yes, I'm doing this pre-upload to part 1. I can view my videos in fraps.
We have become too many.
Hold on.
Corporations could be less trusted with our money. Government, we want to trust with our
Alright, let's go. What the fuck is this? No. Oh, fuck. I love how there's no sound effects. It's all nothing. It's just bland. It's only so you can hear me. So if I were to do this non-commentary, I mean, I would probably sound fine. What are these? Oh, I love the plastic. Silly. They think they can stop the great Isaac Clarke? You're wrong! Alright, let's go. Wait, no, I have to. Alright. Hoopty, 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 hoopty. Oh my god! Yeah, just read the subtitles so you know what's going on. Yeah, I know how it works. She's still alive. No, she's dead. Hematologists are really gay. I'm gonna do something. See what I did there? The bastard just got hit by a car. Zoink! Bam. Bam. Dead. Bang. Oh, shit. Someone lost their insurance policy. Oh, by the way, fuck this. I ain't gonna do that shit. cutscenes, though, I am gonna turn up the voice of the characters. I mean, I want you guys to be able to hear them. Because it would be right if you got what the fuck.
Brothers and sisters, the age of man is at an end. We have become too many, too little to go around. Corporations that we
This
once
isn't just a
trusted
manhunt.
with our money
It's systematic
squandered.
slaughter.
Governments that we
Why
once
top of the
trusted with
government?
our...
Why Earth government?
Danik blames them for experimenting with the markers, thinks it's heresy. So you can imagine what they think of you. Have you reached the extraction site yet?
I'm almost there.
Heresy means like who doesn't believe that is actual religion. I've heard it before. I looked it up in the dictionary. No, that's heretic. Not
Take them out!
This one's still alive. Bring him here.
Isaac Clarke. Just the man I was looking for. Oh, don't waste your energy. You're going to be dead in a matter of minutes. Pick him up. There's something I'd like you to see. There. You see that? That's a marker test lab. They're everywhere at all the major colonies and outposts.
What do you want from me?
As part of the marker test program, Isaac, you helped make them. And today, you of all people get to watch me set them free.
No. No. You'll kill everyone.
Death is only the beginning, Isaac. Nature must take its course, and I can't allow you or anyone else to stop that. Eyes forward, Isaac. Pay attention. And now it's time for you to join the cycle of rebirth.
Okay then, I'm pretty sure if you were to make Isaac a necromorph, you wouldn't be able to do it because Isaac is too much of a badass. By the way, this is the end of... Oh god! This is the end of part 2. Stop recording me! No, let me finish! Let me finish! Alright, this is the end of part 2. See you in part 3.